Meowloween is the Fairfax County Animal Shelter's celebration of all things cat and all things Halloween. It will be held on October 29th, and we have a bunch of cats who are waiting to meet you. If you meet an animal here at the shelter that you really would like to adopt, you can go and then talk to our adoptions counselors at the front desk. And the process from there is pretty straightforward. We do same-day adoptions, so if you meet an animal and you are ready to take them home, you can do so that same day, which is really great. If you would like to adopt a cat on our Meowloween event, make sure to bring proof of rabies vaccinations for any pets you have at home, as well as proof that you're allowed to have the pet where you live. So if you own your home, you're pretty much good to go. If you rent or lease, just bring a copy of your lease or a letter from your landlord. The cat adoption fee is normally between $50 and $125 based on the cat's age, but during Meowloween, all cat adoption fees are completely waived, which means they're free. And they include everything you need to get your cat started off right. So all cats are spayed or neutered, they're microchipped, they're combo tested for FIV and feline leukemia, and they're up to date on age-appropriate vaccinations. We have so many cats who are just really great. We have all different ages and shapes and sizes and colors, like this little guy right here. He's quite squirmy. They are excellent cats, and they will make a great addition to your family.